Open any browser, Google search box to type like that, and go to this first URL asus.com, this official website. So just click on it. After that you can see this is 2025. If it is old, so no worry, because driver it is same. Just click on it, then click on support, then click on driver and download. You can see this is also model number there. Okay, so select operating system, Windows 11 64-bit. If you are using Windows 10, so no problem, you can install it, it will support and install it. Okay, then slow down. This is your laptop. Touchpad driver, point in device, touchpad driver, and click to download. So it is completed, it will show here. Just open. After that click on yes, then click to OK, then next. I accept management, next. Select install, then next, and I click to install. Then restart your system.